you have registered a new company that you are
Correct,
planning to purchase the new property in, but it's a non-trading company, as both you and your spouse or partner that you're applying with are full-time employees, right?
That's correct, yes.
Okay, excellent. Has the company already been registered, and has the offer to purchase already been concluded?
So the property has, the company has been registered completely. I have all the necessary documents for it, but we have not yet submitted the offer to purchase.
Okay, would you like to first go through a pre-approval assessment to see what you qualify for before putting an offer through?
I don't think that's necessary. It's
okay.
quite an entry level property. It's about 1.1 million.
Okay.
So yeah, we will definitely qualify. I don't see that as an issue.
Okay, great. All right, that's fine. So with regards to the process then on my side, the documents that we will need are, the company registration documents. And just to
Okay.
confirm, the directors of the Pty Limited, is it just you, yourself and your spouse or partner?
That's correct, yes.
Okay, great. And then it will then trigger paperwork for both of you to then submit, which is the application forms that I will attach on my email for each of
Okay.
you to individually complete, as you will be signing surety
Yes.
for the company. And we will just need a non-trading confirmation letter from an accountant. Seeing that it's newly registered, I think it is pretty much that, because it was recently registered, but just to confirm that it is non-trading, a letter, and it is currently in a solvent position. That is a letter
Okay.
that we'll need from the accountant or bookkeeper that assisted with the registration.
Sure. I'll
Right.
be able to get that in hand, yeah.
Great. And then your salaries that you're earning as full-time employees, are they pretty much fixed, Peter?
Yes, they are fixed.
Okay, great. So we will then call for 3 months pay slips, 3 months bank statements, all the usual.
Yeah,
I think
so we'll prefer to do F&B.
Okay.
Since I have a long track record with him, as well as all our family businesses. And then I already have a one rental with him, so hopefully they'll give me a favorable interest rate.
Yes, absolutely. We'll definitely approach F&B, seeing that you do have an existing profile held there. We'll also approach the other major banks so that we can just ensure that we do get the absolute best. Because if we do sometimes
Perfect.
find, if F&B does offer you slightly higher, then we can leverage the other offers from the other banks
Perfect.
to get them on board. Yeah, if you
100%,
prefer
I'm
to
on
stick
board with
with
that.
them.
Yeah.
Okay, great. But I will be reverting to you with all the information as I receive it from the various banks. And then just one other thing I want to, yes, the loan to value percentage, Peter. Are you requiring 100% home loan, or would you prefer
Yes,
100%?
well, we're looking at 100%, yes.
100%, so it would be 1.1 million, right?
Yeah, I think it's 1.15.
1.15,
Yeah.
okay. Awesome. Okay, that's perfect. So the offer to purchase would just basically be the last thing that you need to secure, in addition to,
Sure.
the solvency and non-trading letter. I will just send you an email now, pop you an email with all the required documents needed from my side. And then
perfect.
the offer to purchase will be made out with your company name as the purchaser, and the company registration number as the legal information
Yeah,
to appear. Yeah, and then
Sure.
you and your wife's information will appear as signatories on behalf of the company on the offer.
Perfect. Yes. Have it like that
Awesome.
as well.
Yes, perfect. Fantastic. So, yeah, so I think we can definitely get you some good options from the various banks, and also look at securing a decent discount on your bond registration fees. For second-time buyers, it's difficult to get 50%, but I'm sure we can push them a little bit on
Yeah.
this,
100%.
seeing that it is an entity as well. And look, the other banks are very hungry for business, so we can try, with
Yeah.
getting that discount on board for you.